Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.02577 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 2.98%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also draw out the key chart patterns that we have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on the Vechain chart. From the all-time high, we have been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.02 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected that ABC correction to the lower side to do. And if I start my analysis here on the daily chart, here on the daily chart you can see we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, managed to break above key areas of resistances here on the charts, another key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark. We faced a rejection at that key area of resistance, and we are seeing a massive pullback to the lower side. If I also jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart, after making our low down here, we have been seeing higher prices in this massive pump to the upside, and in that movement we had also been trading within this descending channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, also managed to break above a key area of resistance over here. We had a retest of that key area of resistance and continued pushing higher, and before we got rejected at this key area of resistance, we had also been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the lower side, and we have continued seeing our prices. We have lost another key area of support at around the $0.029 mark, and after losing that key area of support, we have even seen a retest of that key area of support, and after seeing the retest, we have continued seeing lower prices. And this movement to the upside, I was terming it as an Elliot wave structure to the upside, having this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. Then we continued pushing high in the formation of a third wave. Then I expected to see a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4. Then continue pushing high in the formation of a wave 5. And once we see the completion of the formation of a wave 5, then we could name that fractal wave as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details so that I can get the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts, after making our high for that first wave, we started to see lower prices in the formation of a wave 2, and because a wave 2 is a corrective wave, we also expected to see a very nice ABC correction within that wave 2, which is a move that we have here on the charts. Having that as the wave A, then we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a wave B, then completed the formation of a wave 2 in the formation of a wave C. Then I also had a target area here on the charts for that third wave to the upside, basing it on the trend based Fibonacci's. And to get that target area, I was connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That was giving me a target area for that third wave here on the charts at around the $0.03142 mark, which is a target area that we maximized here on the charts, continued pushing even higher, and we made a high for that third wave to the upside. And I expected a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, I also had a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side. And because a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's connecting the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3. That gives us the minimum target area for that retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4, between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382 as a maximum, which is a target area that I have here on the charts in yellow. And you can see the price of Vechain has maximized that target area, but I also had an invalidation point for that Elliot wave structure here on the charts. And for us to invalidate our Elliot wave structure, I expected if we continue seeing lower prices and get to around the $0.026 mark, that will be invalidating our Elliot wave structure here on the charts, which is a move that has played out. And according to the Elliot waves guidelines, a wave 4 should not retrace into the area within the high of that first wave to the upside, which is a move that have happened here on the charts. You can see the high for that first wave of my fractal wave is at around the $0.026 mark, and in this movement to the lower side, in what I was terming as a wave 4, we retraced into that target area at around the $0.0226 mark, and having done so, that has invalidated my Elliott wave structure here on the charts. So I need to remove this Elliott wave structure and also these target areas and look at this chart in a different way, and the only way we can term that move to the upside is just as an ABC correction, which was just correcting that impulsive movement to the lower side. So this, whatever we are seeing over here, this is just a massive ABC correction. Having that as the wave A, then we saw a retracement in a wave B, then we continued pushing high in the formation of a wave C, and after seeing the formation of an ABC correction, what we expect next is the formation of a 5-wave structure, which could be giving us lower lows here on the charts, and that is what is going to give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts. So after seeing an ABC correction, whatever I expect on this other side is the formation of a 5-wave structure, having that maybe as the first wave to the lower side. Then I would expect the formation of a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then continue pushing lower in the formation of a wave 5, and in that wave 5 I will expect to see lower lows here on the Vechain chart. So it's very possible that we have not yet seen that low for that ABC correction, and we are yet to make that lower low if the crypto market continues to crash. And if I get a little bit into the details of this fractal wave that I have on this other side, so that it can give us the key scenarios that we can expect here on the charts, it's possible that we have seen the formation of that first wave to the lower side, and that I'm basing it on the Fibonacci's, because the formation of that first wave to the lower side is just a retracement of this move to the upside. We can use the Fibonacci's, connecting the low for Vechain at around the $0.02 mark, then dragging the fibs to the high that we made in this ABC correction, and that gives me a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382 as a maximum, which is a target area that we have maximized for that first wave to the lower side. And having done so in that formation of our wave 1 to the lower side, then we can expect the formation of our wave 2, and you have seen we have maximized that target area for that first wave. So soon we might see the formation of our wave 2, and that is what is going to give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out. It's possible that the low for that first wave is in, and soon we are going to see a very nice retracement to the upside, and in that movement I would expect just a little bit of a pump to the upside, make a bit of a swing high over here, and once we see that swing high, then that will be the formation of a wave 2, then continue unlocking lower prices in the formation of a wave 3, and using Fibonacci we can get a target area for that retracement to the upside in the formation of a wave 2, and to do that I just connect the fibs from the high of that first wave that is up there, then dragging the fibs to the low that we made over here. That gives me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is the target area right there, and that target area is at around the $0.026 mark and at around the $0.029 mark. It's very possible that we are going to see higher prices in the formation of a wave 2, considering the price that we are trading at the moment, that is at around the $0.025 mark. Getting back to around the $0.028 mark is not a big deal here on the charts, so it's possible that we might push a little bit higher, see the formation of a wave 2, then see a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 3, then see a wave 4, and then a wave 5, which I expect to give us lower lows here on the Vechain chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 36 mark, and that would mean we can support any movement to the upside to maximize our target area that I have drawn out here on the charts. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, and that would mean higher prices could be coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.